Trying to figure out how to finally use that Visa gift card on Venmo? Let's do it. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your phone. Open the app, and you should land on your home screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines located in the top right-hand corner of your screen. This will open up the Venmo menu. Scroll down within this menu until you see the word Settings. Tap on Settings to proceed. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This is where you'll add your Visa gift card information. On the Payment Methods screen, you'll see an option that says Add Bank or Card. Tap on that option. A new screen will pop up, giving you a choice between bank and card. Select Card to add your Visa gift card. Now, carefully enter the information from your Visa gift card. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code on the back of the card. Be sure to double-check that you've entered everything correctly. Next, Venmo will ask you for your billing address. This is where it gets a little tricky with gift cards. You'll need to register your gift card online with your address. The website is usually on the back of the card. Follow the instructions on the back of the card, and when you're done, enter the billing address you registered on that website. Once you've entered all the information, tap Add. If everything is correct, Venmo will confirm that your card has been successfully added. You should now see your Visa gift card listed as one of your payment methods. You can now use it to send money to friends, pay for goods and services, or anything else you normally do with Venmo. Remember to keep track of the remaining balance on your gift card, as Venmo won't automatically tell you when it's running low. And that's it. You've successfully added your Visa gift card to Venmo. Enjoy spending.